Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 10th episode about JavaScript basics. In the previous episode, we worked on string, and today we'll work on manipulating string. So first, open your text editor and open the 10th folder, manipulating string. Open start and main.js. We'll work on this string concatenation. So we'll use plus operator, which will combine multiple strings. First, let's create a variable called message and assign it to a string called hello. You can then write message equals message plus another string, let's say world. Now to preview them in console, you can use console.log message. To check the preview, open the site, open developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You should then see hello world over here. Now let's use method in string. There are many methods that we can use. To check the list, you can open new tab and search mdn JavaScript string. You can open the first link, and on the left hand side you can see lots of different methods that we can use. Among them, we're gonna use two different methods, to lowercase and to uppercase. So first, let's use to lowercase. Create a new variable called message2 and assign them to string called hello. You can then write message2 equals message2 dot method name. In our case, it will be to lowercase. To check the preview in console, you can write console.log message2. Now this will help to convert this string into lowercase. Let's check the preview, refresh the page, and you can see hello in lowercase. Now let's use uppercase. Again, let's create a variable message3 and assign it to a string called hello. You can then write message3 equals message3 dot method name. In our case, it's to uppercase. To check the preview in console, you can use console.log message3. Check the preview and you can see hello in uppercase. Now let's add property in string. We will use one of the most popular property, length. So first, let's create a variable message4 and assign it to a string called hello. Message4 equals message4 dot property name. In our case, it's length. To check the preview in console, you can use console.log message4. Now if you refresh the page, you should see 5 because hello has got 5 different characters. Refresh the page and you can see 5 over here. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll convert string and number. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.